We have a traded in Iram 12 paper drill that we're selling. Just give you a quick rundown. It is on our website. You can see some pictures on there, but usual thing, the video does help a little bit. As you can see here, it's on a pallet at the moment just to make it easier for us to move around. So it looks a little bit high, but obviously it would be a little bit lower. Like I say, it's a trade-in one. So we're selling this one without warranty, and as such it's at a very, very good price. As you can see, it's nice condition. I'll show you in a moment, all working. This particular one, single phase, so it's normal 3-pin plug, which is good. Most 4-hole paper drills tend to be 3-phase electric, so smaller workshops, smaller printers, single phase is quite useful. I'll just plug it in. Got manual there, drop down guard that you can lift up to access the drill bits. 4 drill bits, 65mm drilling depth, so it'll drill a full ream of 100 GSM paper, and you can go from 2mm up to 10mm diameter in about 0.5mm increments. You can also get Teflon drill bits and tungsten drill bits as well. Whole guard lifts up to access the belt, adjustable heads, adjustable drill distance just on the handles here. You just undo the locks and you can adjust the handles. Generally it's for 4-hole drilling. If you want to do 2-hole drilling, you just remove the outer 2 drill bits. If you want to do single-hole drilling, you just remove 3 of the drill bits and leave 1 in situ. So it is quite adaptable. The other thing with the 4-hole drill is there's no mistakes. It's doing all 4 holes together, stack after stack, and they will all be identical. There's no bed moving needed to do 4 holes. Like I say, manual there. We've got power button. We have adjustable speed, which I won't go into on this video, for different stocks and things, and adjustable stack height. Because the table lifts, it's hydraulic lift, and you can control how much it lifts. Simply foot activating, do full stack in one go. Dead simple. If you have any questions, just turn the power off. Say it all works, it's nice. Came out of a place that we know. Oh, one thing here, big chippings box that just comes out for all the chippings. It doesn't have the tools, as the website says. You need 2 17mm spanners to change the drill bits. There's no sharpener or anything either, as it says on the website. But as you can see here from the bed, I don't know if the camera can see there, it's not all damaged and chipped like some of the drills are. It would be very good if you already have an existing Iram drill and you want a second one or a third one. It'd be a great addition for you. We can arrange delivery, price would be dependent on location and access, or you're welcome to either come and collect the machine or get it collected from us, you know, just by arrangement. If you have any questions, you know, give us a ring at Chilvers Graphics.